Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Many people wonder where to find their Gmail settings directly on their iPhone, and it's a common question because the answer isn't always straightforward. For most important, account-wide Gmail settings, you actually won't find them within your iPhone's main settings app or even all of them directly inside the Gmail app itself. The Gmail app on your iPhone offers some basic preferences, but for deeper controls, you need to access Gmail through a web browser. To find basic settings within the Gmail app, first open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This opens the main menu. Scroll down that menu and tap on Settings. Inside the app settings, you can manage things like notification preferences, set up your mobile signature, or adjust default actions for swiping emails. These adjustments are specific to how the app behaves on your particular device. However, for more comprehensive settings, such as changing your password, setting up mail forwarding, managing security features, creating email filters, or adjusting themes, you must use a web browser. Open Safari or any other web browser application on your iPhone. Go to mail.google.com and sign into your Gmail account if you aren't already. Once you are successfully logged in, look for the gear icon, which universally represents settings, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap this gear icon to reveal the full range of Gmail account settings. It's crucial to remember that many core Gmail features and security options are managed through this web interface, not solely through the mobile app, making this distinction key to finding exactly what you need.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.